Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
Tiguan R-Line, a 1.5 litre eTSI 150 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a Dolphin Grey Metallic finish and it looks remarkable. This car is currently available, it's the new shape model and it also includes the black styling pack which offers a fantastic look to the vehicle. Like these 20-inch York black alloy wheels which are of course an upgraded option because of the black styling pack. You have a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for a child seats, cup holders in the center console, and also USB-C inputs for fast charging. Function steering wheel does give access to the dashboard display, we'll touch on this soon, and as you can see we have a clean interior consisting of the sole black interior upholstery, creating a really captivating look, an upgraded panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. Now the multifunction steering wheel does incorporate DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display you can show key information like your driving data, audio and even your telephone whilst on the move. To the left hand side you'll see here we have our heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, and also your adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort for your everyday travels. Over to this colossal infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and using the new scroll wheel in the center, you can actually configure the different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and as we do make our way into individual, here you can see we can actually tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. When accessing our heated seats, you'll also notice that they do have the massage functionality as well, with 3 different settings to choose from to customize your comfort value. You and your front passenger can enjoy this and also adjust the intensity as well. And like I did mention, they are heated as well, with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. Now, if we do make our way into our parking sensors and a rear view camera, this ensures confidence and safety in every maneuver, ensuring that we minimize the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centers where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse where these sensors will automatically display.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.